What's up, squad? We are back real quick for a quick video this evening. First thing I want to say is thank you. If you didn't know, we have reached and crossed the 5,000 subscriber mark. So big shout out, thank you to all of y'all, man. It's been vibing, plugging along with the Daddy Seed content. I love and appreciate every single like, subscriber, comment. Even if you're giving a thumbs down on the video, I appreciate you just engaging with our content in some kind of way. A lot more things on the way, and if you haven't subbed up yet, make sure you do that real quick for me. Real quick, just tapping in tonight with a topic I just wanted to make sure I cover real quick. I know there's a lot as we're closing out the year, some hype drops that are on the way. You know, we got Black Cement 3s that are coming, but I want to talk real quick about this shoe that I just want to make sure you guys know about. The Jordan 4 is my favorite silhouette, and I want to tell you this is the most comfortable Jordan 4 sneaker made that you haven't purchased yet. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 RM, right? So this shoe and this remix, this RM that they did to the Air Jordan 4, I mean, I'm telling you for real, the most comfortable right out of the box. I thought SB4s had it, man, but these are like totally padded around your whole foot, and it's just a beautiful thing, man. I wore these at a show that we had to go to, a conference. We were on our feet for like the entire day. And I'm telling you what, I did not look down one time like, man, my toe, my pinky, my arch, anything. It was just all love and cushioning all on the inside of the shoe, along the laces and up this area of the shoe. There's no extra tightness or anything. There's nothing here in the forefront of this shoe to bother you. I'm just gonna tell you now, it's a shoe that I'm thinking you sleeping on. You can get these right now for pretty much close to retail, man. And if you haven't purchased a pair, just do it. Just do it. Try it out. If I'm wrong, slam me in the comments after you try them out for yourself. But if I'm right, I want you to sing my praises. I want you to share this video to everybody you know. All right? I need that from y'all, because I'm telling you, this is a shoe, if you haven't copped yet, you are missing out on major comfort. All right, I wore these in the store, and I'm telling you, the comfort is off the charts, man, off the charts. And I love my SB4s, but something is different about this shoe. It's almost like a casual shoe. I don't know, it's just padded, man. The cushion on the footbed, on the top of your foot, all around your foot, it's just padded all inside this shoe. And it's soft, and it's not tight, and it's just majorly comfortable. I don't know, when Nigel Sylvester had this shoe kind of remixed, I guess maybe so he could ride bikes all day and do tricks. So they really tore out the guts of that shoe and just brought it back with all kinds of comfortability. So tell me if I'm wrong. If you have a pair, what do you think? Sound off in the comments. Let me know. I want to hear to y'all, you know, are you vibing along? Am I right? Let me know what y'all think. And I will see y'all on the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe on your way out. Follow us on IG at Real Daddy Seed, all across platforms. Again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. We are on our way up and beyond and beyond and beyond. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.